Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Montreal bagels the only way. We'll start by gathering our unique ingredients. Unlike their New York counterparts, Montreal bagels incorporate malt, eggs, and a hint of sugar, giving them a subtly sweet and rich flavor. Using high-protein flour is essential for achieving that signature chewy texture. And of course, the traditional method involves baking them in a scorching hot, wood-fired oven, which we'll discuss later. Now, let's get our hands into the dough. First, activate your yeast in about 100 grams of warm water with a touch of malt. Then, combine 500 grams of high-protein flour, 2 large eggs, and a small amount of sugar. Knead this mixture vigorously for approximately 15 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it becomes wonderfully smooth and elastic, indicating proper gluten development for that perfect chew. Once your dough has rested, it's time for shaping. Take small portions and hand-roll them into thin, even ropes about 8 inches long. Then, expertly form each rope into a ring, pressing the ends together to create a seamless bagel. Next, prepare a large pot of boiling water sweetened with honey. Gently drop your shaped bagels in, boiling them for just 60 seconds on each side. This quick bath gives them their characteristic sheen. After their honey bath, it's time for the final flourish. Generously coat your boiled bagels with your favorite toppings like sesame or poppy seeds. The true magic happens next, baking them in a scorching hot, wood-fired oven. This intense heat cooks them incredibly fast, typically in just 2 to 3 minutes. The result is a bagel with a crisp, slightly charred exterior and a dense, chewy interior, ready to be enjoyed warm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.